Greetings from BFSNGRC Consulting Private Limited. I am R.S. Rao, Founder, Director and CEO. We are supported by CTO and Tech Evangelist Sivaraman, as well as by SME and Quality Assurance Specialist Mr. Amar. Let us give a quick introduction about what brought BFSNGRC to Startup Nation India Olympia. Over the past decade, we have been part of dozen plus FCCM, that is Financial Crime and Compliance Management Solution implementation across geographies. One specific pain point stands out clearly across all the projects and programs. Those are the implementation delays, not due to technology gaps, not due to inefficiencies of the resources, rather because of the design phase across effort across the stakeholders during the project. Whether it is customer screening, KYC, AML, TBAML, fraud detection, the stakeholders spend weeks manually for review, analysis and converting the BRD, FSD, SDDs into test design. This particular pain point triggered BFSNGRC to embark on development of the AI tool. Our base AI tool addresses this pain point by auto-generating the test design, parsing the BRDs, FSDs or solution design document. Of course, our AI solution for auto-generation is not limited to FCCM. However, in the phase 2, we take care of the auto-generation version for EPM, Enterprise Performance Management, and ERM, Enterprise Risk Management. Apart from this, our CTO, Sivaraman and Amar would share their perspective on this test design. Further, we would like to move on to our advanced AI tool, which takes care of automated FCCM alert and KYC assessment validation. Across multi-country FCCM implementation experience, one challenge repeats itself. Banks are drowning in alerts, be it transaction monitoring, AML, TBAML, fraud detection, customer screening. Problem is the same. 85% of the alerts are false positives. The huge number of false positives overwhelms the compliance team as well as the testing team, drives up costs, slows regulatory reporting. Our advanced AI tool is designed to address this pain point. Advanced AI tool automatically validates the real-time and batch alerts across FCCM modules built on real typologies, transaction behaviors, and risk indicators. The tool can prioritize alerts by risk, discard obvious false positives or mark them appropriately, generate audit trails for regulatory ready reporting. AI tool also extends to customer KYC, risk scoring and assessment validation using onboarding data, transaction history, and external intelligence. No more static KYC profiling. Instead, banks get real-time evolving risk ratings. So if you look at the benefit point of view, analyst workload reduced by 40% to 50%, false positives burden reduced by 50%, and investigations can be closed faster, and every suspicious case validated and included before reporting. I request Sivaraman and Amar to add their perspective from the technical point of view as well as from the SME and QA point of view. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sivaraman Jayakumar, CTO and Tech Evangelist of BFSNGRC Consulting. As explained by Mr. R.S. Rao earlier, our base AI tool scales with different banks' ecosystem and integrates seamlessly with the STD, and BRD formats, making it easier for automatic generation of test design. As part of our roadmap, our advanced AI tool can help automate the validations of real-time and batch alerts of FCCM along with KYC assessments. Banks and regulators can see why an alert was prioritized, suppressed, or escalated.
I am Amar, SME and QA specialist. I have validated FCCM projects hands-on and I know how much effort goes into test design. This tool dramatically reduces effort and time while improving coverage and consistency. To summarize, AI tool allows banks and implementation partners to accelerate projects, reduce costs, and gain regulatory ready confidence without the usual Excel spreadsheets. In my QA reviews, I have seen compliance teams spending weeks on validation. This AI tool reduces that to days while making every case more reliable, error-free, and regulatory ready. This tool is focused currently on FCCM, CS, KYC, AML, TBML, TM, and fraud detection and would scale for other solutions under EPM and ERM. With BFSNGRC, AI-driven alert validation and KYC risk scoring compliance shifts from being a cost burden to strategic shield.